In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use large thrusters in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you quick instructions on how to properly set up any of these thrusters in-game, and you will be able to use them alongside any building parts and primarily dynamic foundations. So as you can see, I built this little car, and if I go over to the driver's seat and I press a specific button, they will be active. So as you can see, it is propelling me around, with much higher speed. So in order to use them, usually you would attach them to a dynamic foundation, and this is the example that I want to give in this video, but of course you can integrate them into any sort of build that you make. It's just that the dynamic foundations are going to be attached to their primary use because they are going to be pushing it around. So by using a dynamic foundation that can be moved, we can get better results. So all that we have to do is attach the thruster to any viable piece or a dynamic foundation. When you attach either the large or the small thrusters, you will be able to see them placed. Now, nothing will start happening. Even if you go over here, you try to smack it, you try to place a bunch of them, or you try to interact with it, you won't be able to get it to activate. What you have to do is first use a wrench and then set up the channels. This is down to personal preference, and it's gonna make more sense later, but basically you are going to have to press the respective buttons related to each of these channels. If you want to just press a single button, regardless of what it is, just set them all to enabled. But if you have multiple thrusters that you want to control individually, it is best to set one thruster to channel 1, another one to channel 2, and then another one to channel 3. You can then use a switch and place it here to properly activate it, so as long as the thruster and the lever are both set to the same channel, you will be able to have it active, so this is one option. However, if you are on the driver's seat of a specific build, like that car for example, you should also be able to see the buttons at the bottom right corner of the screen. So if I press the respective channel, it is going to be active. So it's down to personal preference. You can either use the driver's seat and press the button at the bottom right, or you can use a lever attached to the same channel as the thruster. And this is going to work even if you have multiple thrusters or small ones. So for example, if I place these small ones over here, I can do what I described. So I can enable this one on channel 2 and this one on channel 3. And then if I go back to the driver's seat, I'll be able to control them individually. So once I press F, the second one is going to activate. I can press C to activate the right one, and then R to activate the large one. And because I have two of them set like this, I'll be able to control the direction, and if I had wheels, this would work even better. I didn't bother including wheels here because I'm just doing a basic example of how this works, but this is all you have to do. Either use a lever and then a wrench to set up the channels, or go into a driver's seat. I hope I was able to help you on how to use large thrusters in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.